Hey folks, it's me, Miss Rogers, and yes, we're learning by video today. We are going to start Unit 6 today, and part of Unit 6 is the triangle sum theorem. And I've got some examples for you, and I hope you found this worksheet. If not, it's on the front table. We're going to start with the first example. Remember that triangles have 180 degrees on the inside. So the first one, if I add these two angles up, and 65 and 57, that's 211, 122, and I subtract it from 180. Y'all are probably quicker at this than I am. That's 8, 7 minus 2 is 5. X is 58 degrees. Excuse me. So then we put 58 right here. And it's saying, okay, the sides, we're going from smallest to largest. We'll find the smallest angle. That's angle B. And we're going to go across from it. The smallest side is AC. And then we find the middle side. The one that's in the middle is 58, the one we just found. And that goes with the one across from it, which is AB. And then we go to the next one, the last one, 65 degrees, and the one across from it is BC. We have completed that problem. Let's go to the next one. Well, we know that this marking right here is 90 degrees. So let's mark it 90 degrees. 40 plus 90 is 130 degrees. And we're going to subtract that from 180. And that gives us 50 degrees. So X is 50 degrees. And once again, we're going to start at the smallest angle. Smallest angle is 40 degrees. And the side opposite that is ML. Then we're going to go to the next one, 50 degrees. And the side opposite it is MK. And finally, the last one is 90 degrees, and the side opposite it is the hypotenuse, KL. Oops, I forgot my marking on MK. All right. Number 3, this one has an equation in it. So we have to get our calculator out. So on the calculator, we're going to set up an equation. 8x plus 2 plus 60 plus 70 equals 180. So when we set that up, we put it in the calculator. I'm going to do it by hand real quick. You're probably going to do it in the calculator a lot faster than I am. That's 110. That's 50 degrees, 48 degrees. Divided by 8, so X is 6. So the sides, let's see, 8x equals 40 equals 50, so this is 50 degrees. Y'all see how I did that? 48 plus 2 is 50. So now we go in order. What's the smallest angle? 50. So we go across from it, and that would be YZ. And I go from the next one, which is 60, across from it is XZ. And then across from the largest angle, 70, is XY. Okay, so far so good. Let's try the last one. Solve for the angle value of x and list the sides from smallest to largest. We have two expressions in this one. So we're going to have 84 plus x plus 59 plus x plus 11 equal to 180. Do our handy dandy calculator trick. Put it into menu 3.1. Let y'all do that real quick. So x equals 13. Check my math. Okay, so now we have to plug it in. 13 plus 59 equals 672. So that one is 72. And then I can either add these two and subtract from 180, or I can do 13 plus 11. 13 plus 10 is 23, 24. All right, so now we start with the shortest side. That is 24, shortest angle, smallest angle. So that would be DE. Then we go to the middle, which is 72, which is EF. Can't make my E very well. My F is kind of short. EF. Let me erase that and start over. Yes, I'm a perfectionist. EF. That one's hard to write. And then the last one is what's left over is 84. And that would be DF. All right, I have some space left over down here for a reason. I want you to draw a triangle on the back. And mark the sides like this. And then label it A, B, C. This is an isosceles triangle. You're going to learn about that in just a minute. So if I know that this angle is, 56 degrees, and I want to know this angle right here. Well, remember I said something about sides opposite? If I know that this angle is close, it goes with that angle, then this angle also goes to that side. These sides are congruent. So that means that this angle over here is also x. So I have 2x's plus 56. Wait a minute, how'd you get that, Miss Rogers? Well, remember congruent means same size. Well, the sides opposite are sides opposite the angles indicate that the angles are also congruent. So that means that this angle, angle X, is the same size as this angle over here. Interesting. So that means I have x plus 56 equal to 180. So I have 2x equal to 124, which x would equal, and y'all probably have this on your calculator already, 62. So each of these angles are 62 degrees. Okay? Why am I doing that one? Well, because if we jump over here to our maze, let me go to Cami again and pull up that maze, you'll see why. Where is that? Documents? Blend. Should have had this open already. Unit 6. And it's 6.0. Oops, it's in my Google Drive. Sorry. Forgot where I put it. It's geometry still, unit 6. Let's see, here it is. Let's take a look at the maze. All right. So this first one, the start, solve for x. I'm going to make my line a little bit bigger. This one is very straightforward. I'm going to zoom in a bit. You just add these up and subtract from 180. Well, if we go down, I don't know if that's the right answer or not. I think it may not be. But if we look at the problems a little closer, like this one right here, what do these markings right here mean? Isosceles, so that this angle and this angle are the same. So how many x's do you have? You have 2 x's. So keep that in mind when you're working the maze out. Keep that in mind. Okay? All right. That's all I have for you on this lesson, folks. Good luck, and write your questions down, and we'll figure them out next time.